How are you? Today we are going to learn how to enable and disable a dark theme on YouTube app. It's a very simple process. So let's start. First of all, open your YouTube app. Click on your YouTube app icon. Then click on your profile icon. At the bottom, click on your settings menu. In settings menu, there is a sub menu called a general menu. Click on a general menu. Here you can see there is option called as dark theme. So in order to enable a dark theme on YouTube, just click on the toggle button in front of the dark theme. In this way, we have applied a dark theme on YouTube. If you want to disable a dark theme on YouTube, click on the same toggle button. It's done. In this way, we have applied the dark theme on YouTube and we have also disabled a dark theme on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel How To, please subscribe to my channel How To. Thank you very much.